Hello friends, welcome back to this video. So today guys, I want to share with you this free USD earning website where you can claim free USDT every single day without deposit or investment. Okay, so there is no deposit or investment needed on this website, so everything here is free of charge. Okay, so you can just look on the platform, just see a lot of things going on the platform, and you can decide either to claim free USDT from them or not. Okay, so you can see a lot of information you need to know about the website. So it's all free. You can earn free USDT every single day by using this platform. Okay, so right here, just watch and see how I use this website. So you can see my current balance over there on the screen. Just tap on the me button and we are going to place our free withdrawal from the website. So let's tap on the withdraw button, and here we are going to use our BIP20 USDT wallet to receive our payment. So just fill out the information. So after you fill out the information needed, just tap on the OK button. Okay, if you tap on that, right here, successfully we have withdrawn our free USDT from the website. So this is how to withdraw from this website. It's very easy guys. So if you tap on the withdraw record here, you can see everything on the screen. Okay, so here you can see the commission wallet, how you spent your free USDT. Okay, so mind you that this video is for educational purpose only and not a financial advice. All we do here is to show you guys how to earn free USDT, and you can go and check it out by yourself and decide either to join or not. So always make your own personal research before you join any website. Okay, so this website is just free. Okay, so mind you, it's all free. So now you're gonna need to tap on the button below here to see all the levels on the platform and how much you can earn. And right here, the more you claim, the more you earn. Okay, so it's all free, it's all free, it's all free. Okay, so right here, if you tap on the mining, you're gonna see our mining has started again, and we can actually claim in the next 24 hours. Okay, so now you can tap on the team button to earn more if you are interested. Okay, so here is your link. You can share it to friends and earn more if you're interested. It's all free guys, it's all free. And right here, if you want to join any of the free earning plans and then do the necessary things, you know, the necessary things you should do to start earning more free USDT, so just do it and then you are good to go. So this is all about the platform, and if you have any problem, you can contact the support. They're always 24/7 active to help you out. Okay, so this is it and how it works guys. So see you on the next video. Hope you loves you guys.